Good afternoon, Russ and Gasoline. So what we got here is the horn packed on the Mondeo. If you look at the manual, because where the horn is situated, it'll tear to the bumper off. Not been a big fan of that idea. I've done this more than once. I found out that, I'll show you this. It's that panel there, a couple of bolts, and you can get to it, or you can actually like bend the wheel arch line around and get to it. The problem is where it's mounted. It's mounted right at the bloody bottom of the car. All the wet and moisture gets into the connection. So just pause this a second. Let's see if we can get this horn working again. I'm not sure what you'll see here on the camera, with my mitts in the way as well. It's very difficult to try and show you this. You see that plug there? Again, there's the plug, look. And it gets dry joints, it gets water in it, gets all sorts. So we'll see if we can get that off and cleaned up and get it working again. Wish me luck. Pause a second. And we're going to actually test this now, look. All right. So working. So if you've got one of these what were facelift Mondeos, despite what the Heinz Book of Confusion tells you, you can take that panel off and get to the actual connection. Problem is that they do get loose and get dirty in there over time, and I've been on this one a few times, usually for the MOT. So, and you do need a horn today for safety reasons, really. So there we go, very quick one. And this is due a service again soon. When I had this off my dad, it had only done 17,000 miles. It's now done about 87,000 miles. Touch wood, it's been a good car. So very short one, how to fix the horn on your Mondeo. Like and subscribe, and drop us your comments, always appreciated. Catch you on the next one.